Hi, this is Engineer David, and today I just want to talk to you about troubleshooting, which is one of the things that we do the most at Bartech Control Systems and Bartech Marine Engineering. There are pretty much seven main steps that we use for troubleshooting. And the number one step is to verify the concern. Verify that what the customer says is actually the fault that's being experienced in the field, whether we're talking about a pressure fault, a temperature fault, a frequency high, low, RPM, hunting, this type of thing. We verify, we get the customer to demonstrate the fault for us. Once the customer has demonstrated the fault, we then proceed to split the system into sections. So we divide it into half. If it's an engine and a generator and a control system, we divide it to say, okay, right, we want to be focusing on the engine side, the control side, the electrical side. We divide the system and we test and inspect in that manner. Then we divide it again and divide it again until we get down into the area that we believe the fault is. Then we fix the fault, or temp fix the fault, or override fix the fault, just to prove it for a few seconds, a few minutes, or something like that. Okay. Once we believe we found the area of fault, we have three options. The three options are: number one, a temporary fix. If it's a ship with a propulsion system and the ship needs to move, we effect a temporary fix. And then we have the semi-temporary fix, where we don't have all the parts, but we have something that can work to get the client through the emergency. And then the third type of fix is the proper fix, where we order components and we deliver them to the site and we effect the repair. And to be honest with you, the middle, the semi-temp fix is one of the ones that happens a lot, because the customers get something that's working, that's been really wound up with tape or some sort of fix, and they're afraid to change it because it's working. But we go for the full upgrade, the retrofit, whatever is required to make the system whole and proper. Okay, and the last step is to document the findings. We document everything that we've seen and we found, and the parts was changed, the parts are damaged, etc. Okay, so that's the basics of troubleshooting.